I would now like to show you how to sync your Canvas and PowerSchool so that your grades sync automatically without having to go push your grades each time. The way you do that, the first step is actually not in Canvas at all. The first step is to go to your gradebook and go into grading and go into categories. And that's where I'm at now. So in your categories, you need to set up your categories exactly how you want them. So if you want to add categories, we do that here. Maybe you have a homework. We're going to make that a different color. Save. Um, Maybe you have a participation. Make that a different color. Save. And then maybe you turn off quizzes. You give tests, you don't give quizzes. Um, Maybe your classwork, we're going to turn that off. So we go and we make those inactive. We can hide our inactive categories. And so this is what I want. I want test, project, homework, participation. If you leave it as it was, that's fine too. So we're going to import now these categories. So you're going to go over here and you're going to click on these three dots. On the three dots, you're going to click import assignment groups. I'm going to refresh my page and they're here. So it's going to import all of them, even though I hid them or made them inactive. So I want to go through here and I'm going to delete the ones that I don't use. I don't even really remember which ones I made. Delete classwork. I accidentally have two classworks here. Assessments, delete. And this first assignments is where everything normally falls. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that. So now when I create a new assignment, an assignment group, I'm going to tell it where to go. And then when, oh, I need to exit out of this. So after I tell it where to go and the kids start turning it in, it'll show up in the correct assignment group. I'm pointing to my screen like you can see where I'm pointing. It'll show up in the right group. And then when it imports, it will sync automatically. It'll show up in your gradebook. It'll show up here in the correct category for you, and you won't have to press any button. Now, some of you might not like that. You might like to sync it on your own, and so just know that this is an option so that it's already set up in the correct category. If you weight different categories and you have your gradebook set up that way, then it will automatically have their correct weight on it. It will then weight it correctly in Canvas. I know if you do normal grades in Canvas, but then you import it into PowerSchool and they're weighted differently in PowerSchool, it will affect their grade. And so kids might get confused between their Canvas grade and PowerSchool grade, or be tricking their parents into thinking one way or the other. So I think this makes it very streamlined and so that you don't have to remember to go in there and sync it. So if you choose this, I hope this helped you. Have a great day.